5 AI tips and tricks you can learn right now. Welcome to this insightful presentation where we're diving into practical AI tips and tricks that you can implement immediately. In an era where AI technology is becoming a staple in both professional and personal spheres, understanding how to leverage it can greatly enhance efficiency and decision making. Whether you're in business, academia, or just a tech enthusiast, these tips will provide you with actionable AI insights. Today we'll go beyond the basics, exploring hands-on applications that can streamline your daily activities and empower your decision-making processes. Tip 1. Leverage AI for personalized content recommendations. Platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon use AI algorithms to suggest movies, music, or podcasts based on your past preferences and behaviors. But did you know that you can tweak these recommendations? Actively rating content, creating playlists, or adding items to your wish list helps the AI learn more about your preferences, leading to more tailored suggestions. Tip 2. Optimize your email with AI tools. Tools like Gmail's Smart Compose and Smart Reply use AI to suggest email responses to complete sentences as you type. Not only does this save time, but it also helps you draft more effective and professional emails. Experiment with these features to enhance your email productivity. Tip 3. Improve efficiency with AI-powered virtual assistants. Third, let's delve deeper into AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Beyond basic commands, these assistants can perform complex tasks like managing your smart home devices, providing real-time traffic updates, and even giving personalized news briefings. For professionals, these assistants can be synced with business software to track tasks, manage calendars, and set up reminders for important deadlines. Personalizing their settings to match your specific needs can transform them into an indispensable part of your daily routine. Tip 4. Use AI for enhanced data analysis. AI's role in data analysis isn't just for professionals. It's increasingly accessible for everyday users. Beyond Microsoft Excel's AI features, there are other user-friendly platforms like Tableau or Google Data Studio that integrate AI for advanced data analysis. These tools can help in visualizing data trends, automating reporting, and even making predictions based on your datasets. For small business owners, these insights can be invaluable for understanding customer patterns and optimizing services. For personal use, such tools can aid in tracking and analyzing personal finance trends or fitness data, offering a clearer picture of your habits and progress. Tip 5. Explore AI in photography and art. AI-based photo editing apps can enhance images, suggest edits, and even remove unwanted objects. Additionally, AI art generators can create unique art based on your inputs, offering a fun way to explore creativity. These tools are great for both professional designers and hobbyists alike. Conclusion. AI is a versatile and accessible technology that can significantly enhance various aspects of your daily life and work. By leveraging AI for personalized recommendations, optimizing your email, utilizing virtual assistants, employing AI for data analysis, and exploring its use in photography and art, you can begin to tap into the vast potential of AI. These 5 tips are just the beginning of what AI can offer. Thank you for joining this presentation. As AI continues to grow and evolve, so do the opportunities for its application in our everyday lives. Start experimenting with these tips, and you'll soon discover the many ways AI can simplify and enhance your daily routines. Stay tuned for more practical insights into the world of AI.